Hello, my name is Ghazwan Hasan, orthopedic spine surgeon from Baghdad, Iraq. Today I'm here as a faculty for the 5th annual motion preservation of the spine. Let's see what's else happening this week in Seattle Science Foundation. Tuesday evening, Dr. Stephen Ledwig will discuss a thoracic myelopathy at our interesting spine case discussion series. Vein of Galden malformation will be explored on Wednesday morning at our cerebrovascular Q&A discussion session. Dr. Michael Ilwet will moderate our neuroradiology case conference on Thursday. And please mark our calendar for November 10th and 11th when we will host our 10th annual Intervention Pain Management Fellow course. All the in-person spots for this course are taken, but you can attend virtually. As always, you can register in any of these events by visiting ssfcme.org. And thank you always for supporting Seattle Science Foundation.